What up, though, everybody? It's your favorite dog, Scooby, and today, your boy at Denny's with it. Check it out. Yes, sir. Finna get to it. Very hungry. My sister just cussed the waitress out. Got her some free French toast, man. This is the Wild West omelet. French toast, hash browns. With y'all scary asses. Like y'all never heard a building get knocked down. Ain't no damn earthquake. Y'all need your ass whooped.
Have you ever had an earthquake in Michigan before?
No. Well, I can see if y'all say a tornado or some shit. But y'all took it too far. We need to get out more often. I should have cussed her out about some free fruit stuff. You cut it to her ass. Heard her say she heard her over say she wasn't getting no tip. It was all free French toast. Ham. It's straight too. Yep. Not a sound and not a peep.
Because I'm about to go to sleep.
She's spitting everywhere. Yep.
Oh, man. Sad note. I feel it.
I definitely agree with her though.
My eyes are so heavy.
Definitely.
It done came out like filth.
Dog. I ain't asked for no water. I got orange juice. Oh, okay, I got the cheese inside.
Say, what did you?
I'm gonna make it juicy. She about to ask for a doggy bag in a minute.
Just don't know, bro. They don't do 12-hour shifts no more.
Man.
Orange juice, I should have never drank that shit first.
Why you talking about some?
Take that shit to the crib.
Real though.
I should have never drank that orange.
It's gonna be my lunch for work.
You got work tonight? Get that money, man.
Look, I was sitting there yesterday. They talking about they work 7 days. What? They said they check was $7.90 though.
Good, great Christmas.
Fuck with you, dog.
Don't overdo it. Told you take it home with you.
Just dread about to do it. Oh man, I want them. What's them? 11 coming out Saturday. Man,
The breeds.
bread.
The breeds. Mm-hmm.
I want them motherfuckers. Layaway.
No cap.
I got some some white ones, black and red ones like that coming out. Shoes like all white. You gotta see.
We talking about next weekend, right?
Cool.
Sure, you talking about next weekend, right?
I'm talking about some like that shit.
Looking at.
Huh?
So what you be looking at, Phil?
Mm-hmm. I'm still looking at the Chuck E. Cheese sign. She asked. My sister asked me, say, is it called Chuck E. Cheese or Chuck E. Cheeses?
Because they got a S on them. like my name, Desirous. No. Nah. That's for
Hell
the extra
no.
IS. That's for the extra iris.
You drop everything out of the wire.
I don't like stuff like that.
Apparently not.
What was called Chuck E. Cheez-Its? That's what it sounds like.
What you working?
No.
9 p.m. 9 p.m. to 5 in the morning. Right. And then
that
today I
time.
had to catch the 12 mile bus and walk down the drive to get my check. But luckily the Shannon bus was there. That dropped off on the 8th. 8th. Cause baby.
Well, this is it. You did.
Okay, need any boxes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They might do. I'm straight.
Oh, there was like 3 people talking.
Oh.
That's okay. You wanted
You-
some water? Okay, you wanted what?
Nothing.
Box.
That was our waitress. She been straight with us. But anyway,
Katie Holmes.
that's her name too, Kate. Of course, y'all can get all my social media outlets in the description box below. Subscribe, hit that bell. You dig. F with your boy. Appreciate y'all for subscribing. Peace and love, y'all. One.